We are determined to launch the forceful and the comprehensive fight to counter Al-Shabaab, ISIS, and other terrorist organizations through military and non-military means. Therefore, I would like to underscore the importance of preserving the gains made so far, as well as continuing the current momentum by intensifying the joint offensive operations to reopen main supply routes that are critical for humanitarian efforts, commercial activities, and the free movement of people. We also intend to maintain and strengthen our financial sector reforms in order to have the tools and means to combat the financing of terrorism and limit their access to funds. Most importantly, however, this administration is adamant on raising public awareness and mobilizing all segments of the society, including the Islamic scholars, traditional elders, the business community, women, and the youth to join our efforts to eradicate extremism, each in their own capacity. In Somalia, we say, far kaliya fool ma dhaqdo, which means a single finger cannot wash a whole face. As African brothers and sisters, we must strengthen our collective resolve to counter the transnational threat of terrorism within our continent and beyond.